Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shweta and I am back with another review video today, and I am going to do a hair care product review, and that will be this conditioner from Be Blunt. Now, this was given to me by the hairstylist in their Pedder Road branch almost 2 months back. My hair was like really in bad condition. My hair were actually very damaged, and not damaged actually, they were just like very dry and very unmanageable. You can still see they are not in best of shape. I cannot straighten them, I cannot really curl them, I cannot do all of this because the more product I apply on them, they become all the more uncontrolled. So I try and keep them as natural as possible. This was given to me saying that this would take care of lots of issues of your hair. So now let's understand whether it met with the promises I was given with or not. Now, first and foremost, this product retails for 375 rupees for 200 grams. Packaging is this beautiful black bottle. I really like the way it looks because this is beautiful round packaging. This is something which I have not seen much. I kind of like cute looking product, and it, trust me, looks very cute. And I only wish the cap should have been little more tighter because this opens up very fast, and I do not know whether it's a travel friendly packaging or not. I'm sure it will spill out if I keep it in my bag. And so that's first thing which I am not very fond of about this product. Otherwise it looks very pretty. Now coming to the ingredient, to be very honest guys, I didn't really look at the ingredient because it was suggested to me by the stylist himself. Otherwise, it's a chemical product. I anyways do not know much about chemical and their composition, so I will not comment on that. Now coming to the claim of the product claims that this conditioner gives hair weakened by chemical treatment, pollutants, adverse weather the attention it needs. It revitalizes, reinforces, and strengthens hair to help prevent breakages, damage, and need damage control. Coming to the performance of the product, guys, you do not really have to apply a lot of product. You have to take like a very small amount, run it through your hair, and wash it. You really do not require lots of water as well. It will rinse off very easily and leave your hair very smooth and manageable. Trust me, my hair, if it can manage anything. So very quick, nice, and a good moisturization. The conditioning would last for 2 washes at least. You can easily skip conditioning for the next wash. I really like it. And for all those people out there who have rough and damaged hair, I am sure this product will work for you. What are the cons of the product? Trust me, guys, I have not been able to find any con in the product apart from the fact that the cap of the product is not that great. This particular conditioner is totally a thumbs up. And do let me know if you guys have used it and how did you like it, or if you use any other product, any other conditioner, and you have some suggestion for my hair. Do comment below in the comment box. Also hit the like button for this video, subscribe to my channel guys, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Bye and take care.